Hey guys, what's up? Happy New Year and all of that. This is actually my first video that I'm posting after the New Year's. Please excuse my voice, I'm getting a little hoarse. So today's review and tutorial is going to be on the Saharran 2. So this is a Juvia's Place Saharran 2 eyeshadow palette. I'm not sure what happened to the ending of the introduction for this video, but this is the look. And if you would like to know how to achieve it, just keep on watching. And of course, don't forget to rate and subscribe, guys. Come on now. Join the Bella Cosmetic family here. Alrighty guys, so the first two colors that I'm going to actually use, and excuse my voice, I'm going hoarse. So let's see. It's from this palette. I've used it before in other tutorials. This is a neutral matte palette that I purchased from eBay a few years ago. It was like $5-6. I would have put the link down below, but I can't find it anymore. But anyway, so the first color that I'm going to use is this white matte. That's going to be my, of course, the highlighter color. I feel that this palette doesn't, it doesn't have a highlighter color. It does come with a light color, but it's frosted. I don't really care for frosted colors to use as my highlighter. And so I'm just using this random brush. I think it's from Coastal Scents. And then the color underneath that, what I'm going to use is from the same highlighter, and it's this, same palette, and it's this taupe brown right here, and I'm going to put that right underneath that color. All right, my chest is killing me. Okay, so the next color is actually going to come from the Saharran palette, and it is called Aziza, and that's going to go in the inner eye corner, and it's this frosted color right here. Actually, to me, when you look at it in the pan, it looks like an off-white, like a beige, but when you put it on, it's actually a gold. It's a very, very pretty color. As you can see, it's a nice, pretty gold color. And then right next to that, it's another color. It's called Marrakesh. And this is a frosted color as well. It's peach. It's peach with like golden undertones. This is like a really, really simple look. I feel like the more I talk, the more I'm overexhausting myself. But for the love of YouTube, the love of makeup, see how beautiful that is? Initially, I was gonna do like a halo effect, then I forgot. And yeah, this is it. And then the last color that's gonna go next to it. Now this color is matte. The name of it is, oh my God, Zora, and it's like a burgundy color. It's this one right here. So I'm gonna bring it in all the way, almost towards the inner eye, and I'm going to stop right where that gold color is. All right, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on my eyeliner, mascara, and we will be right back. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And so I purchased this palette during Black Friday. I think it was on sale for like 17 something, but it retails for $21.50. It comes with 9 shades. This one fell out. So what it has is it comes with metallic shades, dual chromes, and matte shades. As far as the matte goes, it's these bottom 3 right here. As far as the dual chromes, because it doesn't say which colors are the ones that are dual chromes, but I'm going to say these 2, which I used on my lid, so I'm not going to swatch. And then I'm going to say this one. This one is like a mint green, and here I'll swatch it. It's called, oh my God, it's called Chef Schwen. I don't know how to pronounce it, but let me, this is it right there. You see it on my fingers. Let me see if I can swatch it for you guys. Oops. Isn't that pretty? I'm gonna have to, I do have it. I'm gonna fix it later on. And then the color above it, it's called Hadija, which is like a bronze. So let me swatch that one. It is so freaking soft. It's not even funny. I don't know if it's because I just put lotion on my hands, but it is so soft. It's like unbelievable. Let me swatch it. That's a beautiful, beautiful color. So that looks like it's one of the metallics. And then the next one is called Berber. It's this blue right here. Isn't that pretty? Look how pretty that is. I actually wanted to use this and create a look with it, but I wanted to use almost all of the colors within the palette without me having to resort to any other palette. But there's not really much I could have matched that color to, so that's why I didn't do it. The next one is called Nomad right here, which is another frosted color. It's like a metallic, and it is more like a burgundy color. Yeah, it's burgundy, metallic-y, very pretty too. And then the last two, those are mattes, and this one is called Fez, which is like, let me see, it's like an orange brown. It's really pigmented on the finger, and when you swatch it, not sure how pigmented it would be once you start using it. And then the last one, this one that I didn't use, is called Taza, which is like a burnt orange, I would say. Like a brick orange. It's like a brick orange. And there you have it. These are all the colors swatched, the ones that I didn't use in my lid. Now it's a cardboard, and just like all of their other palettes, it's just a cardboard palette, hardcover. No mirror, which sucks. They need to start putting mirrors in their palette and maintain the same price, because you can get way cheaper palettes. BH Cosmetics, e.l.f., and they will have mirrors, like half the price of what they're selling in here. As far as the quality goes, the colors that I use, I loved it. So what's my complaint other than the fact that it doesn't have a mirror? It's an inexpensive palette, $21.50. You should subscribe, get on their mailing list, because every so often they do throw sales. The only thing that I didn't care for too much is like these two colors right here. They're very pretty. I just don't see where they kind of like to create just an entire look with this palette. It's just, I find it nearly impossible so that the colors can coordinate and look good. I was gonna do this one with this one and that one, but everything was just iffy. I was thinking of maybe doing these two right here, but when you put them side by side, they don't really look good together either. So it's hard to pair these two colors with the majority of the colors here. Maybe one. The only thing I can see myself pairing these two with any colors here that may look good is this one right here. That's the duochrome. That's the only one. Other than that, I don't see it looking good with any of the others. Don't get me wrong, maybe if I start playing around with it. But that's it. In terms of quality, thumbs up. Yeah, go ahead and go for it. I also put in the link to another video, the Deuce palette. I'm going to put it down below. And because, oh, that's right, because as far as right now at this moment, so I have all of their palettes, eyeshadow palettes and their blush palettes. I did see on Instagram, I think they're coming out with a new palette in like 2 lip shades. I don't know if liquid lipsticks or glosses, but yeah, I did see that on Instagram. So I was like, you know what, let me hurry up, put out these last 2 palettes since they're new before they come out with the new one, because like I said, I purchased this on Black Friday. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this look, my review, my tutorial. And like I said, definitely, if you want to get this palette, it's a go. It's a go, it's a go. I do feel though that you are going to need a supplementary palette to complete an entire look. Preferably a palette like the one that I just had. A neutral type of palette. I would definitely purchase a neutral palette for to go with this one. The same thing with the Deuce palette. I don't know, it just, those two colors just didn't convince me. But thank you guys for watching my channel. I hope you rate, I hope you subscribe, share. Let me know what else you would like for me to purchase and review, or do a makeup tutorial. And yeah, anything. I'm here for you guys. So as always, don't forget to rate and subscribe. And now this is a new year, so I will be uploading definitely more often. And as always, don't forget to unleash that makeup whore inside of you guys. Ciao.